Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Roam Show. And as many of you know, I spend a couple hours every morning and search for things that would be of some value to my viewers and subscribers. And I also subscribe to a lot of newsletters and stuff like that to have information for radio amateur operators, shortwave listeners, scanners, whatever. And one of the ones that I look at every morning is this solar ham. And I've talked about this before. They get a lot of information about solar weather, which affects shortwave listening. And they have this solar flux information right here that you can go look at solarham.net. Now another one I subscribe to, and I get a email every time they post a new article, is this one. You go to the top. This is spaceweather.com. Spaceweather.com. And it provides information about space weather. And I got an email this morning about an article on the sunspots, which affect the solar flux index, which affects shortwave listening. And here's the article down here, and it says that it's been 3 weeks without sunspots, 21 days with no sunspots. That would probably explain why shortwave listening is in the toilet. Excuse my language. So if you come down here in this article, this talks about the solar cycle sunspot number progression. That's a cycle over approximately 11 years where the sunspot numbers go down, shortwave listening gets poor, and then it goes back up. And you can see back here 2012, 13, 15, the number of sunspots was up. Consequently, the solar flux was up. So shortwave listening was good, and then it's been going down, 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 down. And we've been down here 2018 pretty much in the toilet. We had a little up spike here, but the predictions are it's going to stay down here for a couple more years until we get out of that slump and then start this gradual climb for the next 11 years basically, and then we'll peak out and then back down again. So here's a cycle here right there. So you can sign up for the emails that will tell you there's a new article, and it gives you a little brief description of the article so you can decide whether you want to go look at it or not. Come up here, you can subscribe to Space Weather News. So I suggest you do that. This, like I say, this, and there's lots of information on here. This is just one article, all kinds of information on this sidebar right here. Other articles, I mean, and they publish articles almost every day, sometimes a couple per day. I'm just going to show you real quickly. And then they have some good links down here. Here's the link to the NOAA 27-day space weather forecast. Let's just take a look at that. There it is. It's a text file, and it tells you, you can scroll through it, and it tells you what this, like for instance, the solar flux index is going to be upcoming. And then there's a whole bunch of other things on this NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center website. All right. So let's go back up here, and we'll go back to where we were, which is back. So check out this website. Let me go back to the top. And I get, like almost daily, I get a email from them highlighting one of their articles. And I did it. I did that by subscribing, and it's not a big deal. There's no fee for this. It's all free, and I think you should try it. Take a look at it. Anyway, that's it. I will continue to look for things for my viewers and subscribers, and have a great day. Bye-bye.